Hello everyone. Today we are learning about fractions, how to add fractions. So we will do three methods to add fraction. The first method will be how to add like fractions. The question is, what is like fractions? Like fractions are those fractions which denominators are same. For example, if we have 2 over 4 and then we add with 3 over 4. Now here how it is like fraction, because these denominator of both are same, both have 4 as a denominator, so it is very easy to add the like fraction, because in the denominator you have just write the number once, or you can take common of it, then 4. Now for the numerator, just add the numerator. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we easily get the answer, that is 5 over 4. So it's very easy. We will do another question, that is 3 over 9. Then plus, or if you can do minus, you can also do the same for it. So that is 6 over 9. Now here again the denominator is same, that is 9, so I will take 9 as a common, or I will write the denominator once. And now add these two. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now if there is possibility to cancel both, then you can cancel, like 9 times 1 is 9, so this both cancel each other, so we get 1. So this is how we add like fraction. Now if the denominators are unlike, they are not common, that is called unlike fraction. For that, first we will do unlike fraction with, for example, 2 over 4 and plus 1 over 2. This is unlike fraction because their denominators are not same. But here we have to notice the number, greater number in denominator. If it is cancelled by the smaller number, then we will take this number as a denominator. For example, 2 can cancel 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So I will write the denominator 4, the greater number. We have to look at the greater number. If that greater number is cancelled by the smaller number, then we will write the greater number here. Now here what we will do, now 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. We will multiply this 1 with the numerator. That is 1 times 2 is 2. We don't have to mention it. Just write the answer 2. Now here 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So multiply this number with the numerator again. So 2 times 1 is 2. What is the sign here? Plus. So remove this one. Now what we get here? We again get 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 4. So this both can cancel and we get 1. So we'll do next question about the same, that is 3 over, okay, 3 over, I'll take another one, 2 over 3, then we have plus 6 over 9. Now look at the greater number in the denominator, that is 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? If yes, then write 9 as a denominator. Now 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So write this, multiply this with the numerator at the same side. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now plus the signature, remove this one. Then 9 times 1 is 9. So multiply this number with 6. 1 times 6 is 6. So this we get 6 plus 6 is 12 over 9. If these both are cancelled by each other, then do it. Like 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 4 is 12. So we get 4 over 3. So the final answer is 4 over 3. So this is how we add the unlike numbers, but they have the denominator which can cancel each other. Now the third one is, what about the fraction which are unlike and their denominator cannot cancel each other? For that, for example, 5 over 7 plus 3 over 2. 5 over 7 plus 3 over 2 or 2 over 3, any of the number. Now here, this greater number is not cancelled by this one. So the second rule will fail here. Now for that we will use butterfly method. For butterfly method, we will draw butterfly by circling the opposite numbers like this, and then make this butterfly and with the back. Now look here, multiply these circles. 5 times 2 is 10 and 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 2 is 10, I write it here, and 3 times 7 I write it here. Now this sign is plus, so I will write it here, and then multiply these both and write it here. 7 times 2 is 14 and I write it here. Now after this, just write this number, that is 10, then plus, then 21, then the bracket over, what's this answer? 14. Now add these numerators, that is 10 and 21. So that means 31 over 14. If this both can cancel each other, you may cancel it, but here it is impossible to cancel, so it will remain the same. You can write it in the mixed fraction as I told you in the previous video. So this is how we use methods for adding friction, for like friction, for unlike friction, with the denominator which can cancel, and with the denominator which do not cancel each other. So hope you get the concept, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.